12 years without riding a coaster at all because I became afraid of them whenever I turned like 25 or something. And now that I'm 42, I'm like, I'm ready to do this again. And I'm all about the thrill again.
Yep. I know the feeling.
I'm so glad because I spent years not doing it because I was scared. Oh my god, why is this so steep?
And slow too.
It picks up a little.
Yeah.
It's slow right now, but then it does start going faster.
I don't like these clouds.
Have you been in the front before?
5 years ago, yeah. I did a front and a back row. No. Yeah, you're right. Ride of my